You can't believe how loud this is around front of my house, man. And I know Eva can hear it. I can hear it in here. Maybe the webcam is not strong enough, sensitive enough to pick it up. I'm going to open the door and see if y'all can hear it. And here it is. It's like 3 a.m. 3 o'clock in the morning. That was a van hauling ass down Lanier Street, man. It's 4 a.m. When it comes, so yeah, it's 3:52 a.m. Atlanta, Georgia, van coming in. They'll unlock the gates out there, drive it up the ramp at 4 a.m. right in front of my house, man. You don't think that disturbs me? I hear the paper shredder humming. And I hear that big exhaust fan out front turning. All throughout my house, man. Inside my home. And it was not like this when I bought this house. They're encroaching upon my sanity. They're decreasing my quality of life. And I'm tired of Publix. I'm looking for a lawyer, man. I'm tired of these lawyers out here asking people to call them about these auto collisions and stuff. Whatever happened, to fighting for somebody's rights, man. Something that really benefits somebody. Fighting for democracy. That's what.